today's agenda, I have specifically eliminated the intermediate or advanced concept. I will try to explain you what is freelancing and what it is like to be your own boss. So first, we'll discuss be your own boss. Objectives of the talk or session today. What is freelancing? Then types of freelancings, types of freelancers, why freelance, popular platform for freelancing, how to be a successful freelancer, how to generate business, choose best fit freelance skills, know what the market needs, examine earning magnitude, and checklist of the questions that you got to ask yourself before you start your career as a freelancer. And at the end, I'll take your questions. So be your own boss. I'm not sure if all of you are aware of this term, but it's a pretty common phenomenon in today's life. As we study and we grow up, we don't want to normally and usually work for others. We prefer to have something, some workspace or place where we can do better for ourselves, side by side, making good livelihood for our own self. So in order to, how have I compiled all these topics and all these uh, slides today? It is based on my own experience spanning over a career of 17 years in the freelance market. When I graduated, I was not aware of, in our time, like uh, 15, 17 years ago, the term freelance was not that popular. And usually and mostly people in this country were not aware of. Freelancing used to be taken as, if someone says that she's doing freelancing, is it was used to consider as if the other person is doing nothing at all. So in 2 decades time or maybe earlier, this concept has totally changed. Whoever the successful, there are many successful freelancers I have come across today, and all of them are doing much better the from the people the highest C-level executives in today's time. So it's a complete career. You have to take it professionally and seriously. You have to plan well for this before you jump for it. And once you are completely ready, then you are good to go. So what is like be your own boss? Moderator, there is some kind of noise. Can you please mute the mic?
रुक जाओ यार अभी रुक जाओ आपकी डाउनलोड नहीं होगा
Hello. Hello.
Dear participants, please turn off your mic. Dear participants, please turn off your mic.
Yusra, please mute your mic, Yusra.
All right. Thanks, Shahjahan. So it is comfort of working at your own time. Like there is no fixed time for freelancing. You can do it whenever you feel and find it convenient to do for yourself. The second benefit of doing it is like developing your own resources to generate business. Let me. So it is really difficult in today's time that you can develop a business in a very short span of time and with a bare minimum investment as low as the price of a computer, buying of a computer. Speaking of digital freelancing or any other freelancing, like for example, creative writing, web designing, graphics designing, illustrations or translations or proofreading or writing a thesis, these are all quite cheap startups, very low priced compared to the traditional businesses. Like for example, कि अगर आपको कोई शॉप खरीदनी है, कोई जगह परचेज करके वहां कोई सेटअप करना है, तो आपको यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी कि आप पहले वो जगह या तो परचेज करें और इधर टेक इट ऑन अ रेंट और फिर उसके उसमें मटेरियल स्टफ जो है वो सारा इन्वेस्ट करें एंड देन you are good to go and wait for the clients. And it is not like that in case of freelancing. You are able to spend more time, इसको किसी भी वक्त कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं, like in morning or at night. की जो 9 to 5 9 to 6 जॉब होती है उसमें फिक्स सैलरी होती है और वही चलनी होगी, इसमें आपके बहुत ज़्यादा जंप्स भी लग सकते हैं। एक बार तो आप अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस ले लेते हैं, अच्छी अपनी प्रोफाइल और गुड नेटवर्क एंड रिलेशंस विद द क्लाइंट्स डेवलप कर लेते हैं, तो then there is no fixed monthly salary. This your salary will be all dependent upon the amount or the quantity of work that you will deliver to your clients. It is an opportunity to experience and observe entire life cycle of planning, communication, execution and delivery. Okay, how freelancing जो है आपको अभी, जैसे कि I'm sure कि most of you are students or young professionals जो कि अपना career start करना जा रहे हैं, स्टूडेंटशिप में भी अगर आपके पास बर्डन कम है क्लासेस का, टाइम टेबल्स का, वट एवर टाइम यू आर फ्री, या शायद मैनी टाइम्स इट हैपन्स कि आप पढ़ पढ़ के ही बोर हो जाते हैं और कुछ डिफरेंट करना चाह रहे होते हैं, दैट इज द इट इज द बेस्ट हॉबी आई कैन टेल यू, यू कैन डेवलप। आप इससे अर्निंग भी कर सकते हैं, अपनी स्किल्स भी इन्हांस कर सकते हैं, और इट विल ब्रिंग लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट इवन आपके स्टडी की जो प्रोसेसेस हैं स्टडी को अप्रोच करने के, उनमें भी। बट प्लीज अपनी स्टडीज